Hello everyone, my name is Vikal Jain and today I am going to tell you how to unpivot your data. So till now you have read that you may draw a pivot table from your data, and in this chapter we are going to unpivot that data from the pivot table. So how we can do that? First we are going to create a pivot table so that I can tell you what I am going to do. So select your data, insert and pivot table. Now I am inserting my pivot table on existing sheet. So location is this. Click OK. Now I am putting my region into columns, product into rows and name into rows like this. So name we can put below the product like this. So now amount I am putting in the values. Now close this. Now we need to do 2 or 3 more settings. So in the design we are going to do report layout, showing tabular, subtotal I don't want to see, so do not show subtotals. So this is your pivot table. I am going to copy my pivot table and paste it anywhere. So I'm not taking my grand totals. Now here it is. So this is data extracted from the pivot table. Now what we are going to do, we are going to convert this data to this form once again. But how we can do that? So we need to use Power Query. For that we will add this data in Power Query. So data tab, from table, so click OK. Now OK. Now Power Query is importing my data. Here it is. So we need to do unpivot our data. So I'm selecting my all values column like this. Now we need to unpivot our data. So click on transform, unpivot columns, unpivot columns. Now here it is. Now we need to remove this null. So what we can do, we can fill this. So fill to down. Now here it is. Now we are going to load this query, close and load to existing sheet. Now here OK. So this is my data and this is our data. So keep enjoying and keep learning.